Saturday night and Sunday, partly cloudy with a slight chance of rain and snow. This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado, the Northern Front Range foothills including Estes Park in Nederland, Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range in the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range and the Indian Peaks. High wind warning in effect from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Tuesday. What? West winds 35 to 50 miles per hour with gusts up to 80 miles per hour possible. Where? The Northern Front Range foothills, the Mosquito Range, and the Front Range Mountains including Rocky Mountain National Park and the Indian Peaks. When? From 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Tuesday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and a few power outages may result. Strong winds will likely lead to rapid fire growth of any new fire. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People are urged to secure loose objects that could be blown around or damaged by the wind. This is a winter weather advisory. For the following locations in Colorado, Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range in the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range and the Indian Peaks. Winter weather advisory in effect from 8 p.m. Tuesday to midnight Mountain Standard Time Wednesday night. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations 5 to 10 inches, with locally up to 14 inches in and near the mountains of Rocky Mountain National Park. Winds gusting as high as 65 miles per hour. Where? Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range, in the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks. When? From 8 p.m. Tuesday to midnight Mountain Standard Time Wednesday night. The following impacts are expected. Snow-covered roads will make travel hazardous. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for Colorado can be obtained by calling 511 or by going to www.cotrip.org. Roads will be slick, resulting in slow and hazardous travel. Allow extra time to reach your destination.